how to use while and during. During basically means between the beginning and the end of something. It's a preposition, and therefore it is always followed by a noun. During the movie, during the game, during the summer, during the celebration. While basically means at the same time. It is a subordinating conjunction. Therefore, it is usually followed by a subject and a verb, or a subject and a helping verb. While he sleeps, while we worked, while you were sick, while we were speaking. During is a bit easier to use because you just put a noun after it. Here are some examples. He fell asleep during the meeting. She reads a lot during the day. He was talking on his phone during the movie. We eat a lot of tomatoes during the summer. I went to the bathroom during the break. While is a bit more difficult to use because we need a full idea after it. Here are some examples. I watched TV while he read his book. I'll clean the house while you are gone. He stole my bike while I was sleeping. She likes to sing while she cooks. I was listening to English while I was driving. As you can see, sometimes while is used with a continuous tense, and sometimes it's not. I'll make another video in the future explaining how we decide whether or not to use a continuous tense with while. However, right now, I want you to know that often it's not very important, and I don't want you to worry about that right now. The main thing that I want you to understand right now is that while is usually followed by a subject and a verb, or a subject and a helping verb. However, if the subject before while is the same as the subject after while, you can often remove the subject from the second half. I was listening to English while I was driving. We have I in the first half and I in the second half, so we can simplify this. We can say, I was listening to English while driving. And to make sure that you understand the main difference between while and during, let's look at a few more examples. And these are examples that could use either while or during, depending how you want to create the sentence. He talked on the phone during the movie. He talked on the phone while watching the movie. She slept during the lesson. She slept while the teacher was talking. I usually work during the day. I usually work while the sun is shining. They got in an accident during the storm. They got in an accident while it was raining heavily. So yeah, that's how we use while and during. And yes, there are other ways that we can use while. However, they are a bit different and they are not what we are talking about today. I hope that you guys learned something today. Thank you for watching.